This narration from Yahya bin Ghassani mentions an incident where a thief was brought to Abu Bakr bin Muhammad bin Amir, may Allah be pleased with him, who was the governor of Medina at that time. He was informed through a message from his aunt Umrah bint Abdurrahman not to take immediate action until she arrived. Upon her arrival, she related a hadith she had heard from Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha regarding theft. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha reported that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had advised against cutting off the hand for theft involving an amount less than a quarter for a dinar, a type of currency in that era. In the narration, it's mentioned that at that time, a quarter of a dinar was equivalent to 3 dirhams, and 1 dinar was equal to 12 dirhams, since the stolen amount was less than a quarter of a dinar. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha did not recommend cutting off the thief's hand. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23418.